Hi, we're the Frain Group service technicians that cycled your Peerless slurry mixer. The voltage on the mixer is currently set for 3-phase 60-cycle 480 volts. We recommend a field service technician to assist with your startup and training on the machine. Please contact our field service manager to meet all your field service requirements. First, we're going to demonstrate the mixer capabilities. You can see the tank's holding water and the mixer is mixing. Here's the variable speed controls for the mixer. Next, we've connected the pump just so it recirculates water back into the tank. Turn the pump on for you now.